guys, it's time to talk about Uniswap here back on the channel. And it's been a while since we've actually talked about Uniswap here. And I would like to make a note here that, we have been making higher lows basically since August, the 5th, when everything dropped down. Now you can see every low is higher. And this one is just slightly higher than this. This is slightly higher than this one. So yeah, we are making higher lows. Now, we have taken out a trading range that we've been stuck in basically since July. So this is good to see. Now, the next resistance that Uniswap is going to face is up here at about $9.77. That's this green line here. It's a weekly resistance, so it's going to be a little bit stronger to break. Now, we haven't reached that yet, but like I said, this is a weekly time frame that we're looking at. So as long as we're above this on Sunday when we turn to Monday, that's good. Now, the next daily time frame will be up here at $10, 38 cents. And after that, guys, the next one is about $12.46 on a weekly time frame again. So I think Uniswap is really just oversold. I haven't looked actually at the MACD or anything like this, but Uniswap is just terribly oversold, and I think that's because they had a lawsuit a few months ago brought by the SEC. Now, I think this is pumping because, of course, we all know that Gary Gensler is going to get fired. And, there's so many things on Twitter and Facebook about Gary Gensler now, it's just hilarious. But anyways, I looked at Uniswap at their X, and I didn't see anything that would make such a pump. It just talks about we're so back, and they're teaming up with some pudgy penguins a few days ago, but that was before the election. So anyways, guys, I don't think there's any news really there. Now, Uniswap, I'm not sure. I haven't checked this actually, but let's type in Uni and let's see what happens. I don't think anything is going to get pulled up here, honestly. So let's see, Uni. Okay, we do have something here. Let's see what it pulls up, guys. Now, yeah, actually, it looks like it's all been unlocked. So that's good to see. If I do go to this and I go to my portfolio here and I just go to Uniswap, I have to find Uniswap. Where is it? Now, okay, here we go, Uniswap. So, I just want to check it. Now, it looks like circulating supply, about 60% of it is out. So, I'm a little bit confused why they say that, everything's been unlocked. So, kind of strange to see. But, yeah, here it does have 60% of, the supply is circulating. So, yeah, I guess, anyways, doesn't really matter. Uniswap is doing well. Look at Bitcoin here. I did add these two lines here. There's a daily resistance here at about 72,755 and another daily resistance up here at about 73,700. Now, if we can close above these two lines today, excellent. We will have crushed basically 4 resistances. And guys, there is no other real resistance above us. We're pretty much at all-time highs. The next resistance really would be this Fibonacci here at about $79,300. And yeah, guys, my targets. I did say that there was targets of about like 84,000 or something like this. If we look at this little bull flag, and if we take that flagpole, let's just say we start here, go to here. Now let's move this, and we have to put it like this. So basically, the point that we should reach, technically, is about almost $92,000, guys, on this. So we'll see. That's just the technical target. It's not an official target. But yeah, guys, we crushed everything with Trump getting elected yesterday. So that's good to see. I don't want to say anything political on this channel though. But you know, Trump is good for crypto, and I guess if we're crypto people, we have to support him. You know, um, otherwise I wouldn't support him at all, honestly. But anyways, that's just me. I mean, you guys can support who you want. And all in all, I don't believe it really matters much who we elect, because crypto is going to prevail. Bitcoin will prevail always. You know, it's not about politics when it comes to Bitcoin. Now, if we take a quick look here, there was some news here with Satoshi Stacker just a few minutes ago, really. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF, IBIT, is on track to set a new record for daily trading volume. It's crazy, guys. So that's really fueled, I think, the fire today. So we'll see how high we can go. Maybe they're done buying, but because I think we are kind of, you know, out of steam here for the moment. If I put this on the hour chart, you can see that we've pretty much been consolidating here. Although this is nice to see, you know, we can draw a line like this and maybe another line like this. And let's just say the flagpole from this, just put it about here, guys. Let's move it. So it looks like we are trying to break out right now. We're right there on the cusp of, you know, breaking out. But let me zoom in so you can see this a little better. Yeah, I mean, we're right there, guys. We're trying. We've tried to break out of this pattern about, what, 5 times today. So, yeah, the technical target of this is about 79,000. So once we get there, probably a consolidation under this Fibonacci. So you can expect maybe a little bit of resistance here. So anyways, guys, let's move on here. So Bitcoin on the monthly is now 5% up. That's good to see. You know, I'm excited to see how high we're actually going to go because, yeah, guys, we did have a great September. October, nothing special, but maybe we were saving all the energy for November. Who knows, guys? Now, if we take a quick look at the dominance here, it does, you know, look like we are trying to go higher. I mean, oof. Let me zoom in here, guys. Zoom in on the daily, actually. Maybe that'll give us a little bit better view here. So yeah, we did go higher today. So let me raise this up. I hope that is the peak for Bitcoin, guys, because yeah, almost 61% we hit today on Bitcoin dominance. So not nice to see if you're an altcoin holder like me, but hey, you know, eventually it's going to come back down, guys. We're going to benefit. And yeah, let's take a quick look at the economic calendar. Now, really, the only thing, today was nothing. So tomorrow, guys, be watching for jobless claims, non-farm productivity, but mainly the, you know, FOMC statement, interest rate decision, and the press conference, guys. So we should be, you know, lowering the interest rate by about a 1/4 point, it looks like. When we go to the Fed Watch Tools, it has a broken link here, so let's see. Let me refresh here. It shouldn't take too long, but I still think it's about 98% or something like this for a 1/4 point cut. So I don't think we're going to get anything drastic, no 1/2 point or anything like that. But yeah, let's see. It's popping up, guys. Sorry for the delay, but nothing I can do. You know, when it kind of, I don't know, it kind of logs out, we can say. And yeah, this is just taking a really long time. But here we go. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, this has changed since I looked at it today. Now, it has, okay, we have a 99% chance of a 1/4 point cut. But now there are some people thinking that there's going to be a surprise. So we'll see, guys. I don't believe it. But yeah, let's go to the altcoin season index. Let me refresh this too. Let's see if it moved. Yeah, okay, we're getting better, guys. We went from 27 earlier today to 31. That's nice to see. So let's see, guys. We may trickle up. Once we get above 50, I think we're going to move to altcoin season very fast. Now, the fear and greed, let's see. Let me update this. Still 70. It's been 70 for like 3 days or something. So I can understand we have a 70 today, after yesterday, of course. But the last few days, I think we were still in greed at like 70. And yeah, that was kind of odd, because we did have a big drop. And we dropped for like 6 days. So now, if we look at crypto bubbles, guys, it's massive. You have a lot of projects, Uniswap, which this video is about, 28% up. It's massive. Aave, wow. Aave is a really good coin too, guys. I have to say, I don't have any of it. I wish I did. Just I can't buy everything. I'm sorry. But Aave is super good. Sui up 12%. Injective, almost 20%. There's just a lot of things up. Finally, Matic is up. So, anyways, guys, if you want to stake your Uniswap, you need to go to Coinondo, go to Earn. This is about Tron. Sorry, guys, I didn't search yet. So, Uniswap, this is how you do it, though. And yeah, you get the list of places you can, put your Uniswap. Now, with Uniswap, there isn't much for Uniswap, usually about 1% or so. I actually have mine in Bybit, guys. So I'm not getting that much, but it's something. And over the course of like a year, I think I've gained like 2, maybe a little bit more than a year. So yeah, anyways, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you today about Uniswap. Looking good, $9.30. I do believe it will move up to this weekly resistance soon. And Bitcoin, guys, looking excellent. Now it's turned green, so we are outside of this little bull flag here. If we can close this candle, in the next hour, actually, well, in the next 20 minutes, 22 minutes, above this line, this yellow line here, that'll be a good sign, guys. I do believe we will start to move up then. Anyways, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.